Welcome back. This is Jeff Byers, and we're going to continue working on video 14, I believe. And we're just kind of working our way around the back. Now, I do have the back worksheet or reference in here. As you can see, I can kind of see where I'm at with the back. The back isn't too complex. We just have a break right here in the armpit, so just keep an eye on that. And that is right here, that break right here. So we just got to watch that. You know, I put this to the other side so I can keep track of it. Alright, so let's go ahead and continue around the back here. And as we go up, let's go ahead and select the edge loops here. And we will extrude up. Control E and then W, and then we'll go ahead and go to the side view and extrude those up and over. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and extrude Control E and up and over like that. And one more time. Extrude E up and over. There we go. Right click over this and go to the vertex mode and just kind of move those in and just kind of follow the back line. Don't worry if these don't match up perfectly. We'll get close here as we go up the back. You can see that we've got some issues right in the back area here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just select these and just move them in slightly, and these, move those in slightly like that. So the back is kind of flattened out. And then we've got to connect, but actually we've got to do another extrude from this part right here. So I'm going to click on that edge and extrude it up. Control E and then up. And we will flatten that out. So I'm going to click over this, go to vertex, move that over here. Whoops. Just that one little vertex, and then we'll move that up. Okay, so we're going to weld these together. I think that'll work just fine. If I kind of look at the back, on the back view here, you can see where that arm is moved up and around. And I think that'll work out pretty good. At least I hope so anyway. So I'm going to go in here and merge those together. So, and I'm going to go to the vertex mode, and we'll probably take this guy here and hold the V key down, snap it. And I'm not sure how we're going to do this one, so that worked out pretty good, but we're going to probably, let's see how many we got across. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so it looks like we'll be merging these to this. So let's go ahead and hold the V key down, snap that, and select this one and snap to that one. And we're just going to have to I'm not sure if that's going to work. Let's go back and see how that's looking. Because it looks like we've got some issues here that don't quite match up. Let's take a look at the side view here. So we've got basically 1, 2, 3, 4 over. And we got this guy right here going up and around. And these probably need to be moved over like that. Alright, so let's see what that looks like here. Okay. That looks about right. But we have a quadrangle here. Or if I select that, move that over. Well, I think that's gonna work. So I think that'll be okay. We just need to spread these out a little bit more across, like that. Make sure I don't select anything in the front here. Will be the first time we've moved things around and over. Just kind of finessing stuff a little bit here. Okay, so I just moved these vertices over and just kind of moving things around. And I am going to go ahead and merge these two together. So best way to do that is just kind of find an area where I can marquee select both of these and merge to center. There we go, and do these two, merge to center, hit the G key, there we go. So that's all taken care of. Now we're just going to go right up the back, up and around, and meet the rest of the back. So we're kind of almost there. Go ahead and select the edge here. And let's go ahead and we'll extrude that up. Okay, you can see that I've got that back is a little bit off a little bit. So let me select some of these vertices and kind of get that correct. Let's go ahead and remove those back and just kind of follow the back here. And we'll do this one here. Just kind of smooth these out a little bit. And this one here will be moved back a little bit. There we go. Alright, so that looks pretty good, and we'll do the edge again, and we're just going to kind of follow the next one right up here. You can see that break right there. Let's go ahead and Control E and move that up and over like that, and let's rotate it just a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. That looks pretty good. And let's do another one. Control E and W and move that up right about to there. That's a good spot for it. Okay, we're getting pretty close now. Working our way up. Okay. And then I think we've got most of that looking pretty good. We will go ahead and go to vertex mode and move this one over here like that. This one over here like that. And this one here needs to be moved over here. Okay. There we go. And I think we got one more. I think we've got. Let's go ahead and do these two. And screw these over. Like so. And we'll go to vertex and we will snap these together. Okay, so I'm going to select these like that and go to edit mesh, merge the center. I'm just going to grab all these, grab those, G key, grab these, G key. Alright, so we're getting close now. And I think I'm going to do this where I've select the edge, Control E and W, and that'll be that part. And I'm going to do Control E and W. Whoops. Control E, W, move that over and out a little bit like that. Okay, so we will match this one, these two together, and this one to this one. Oops. There we go. And then this one to this one. And we'll continue around for the neck part. Okay, like that. And so we'll go ahead and go to the edge here, and this edge here, and we'll go ahead and go Control E and then W, move that up, and we'll get that set up here. And hold the V key down like that. Alright, that looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this whole piece here that I've got so far and just select it. And with all that selected, I'm going to hold down the space bar, go to Edit Mesh and Merge, go into the option box, and it's going to be 0.0100 merge. Okay, we're just going to make sure we merge all those vertices together. And now I'm going to go ahead and just kind of finesse these pieces so they look a little bit better and they match the shoulder a little bit better. So I'm just finessing everything here. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and move that over a little bit so we can have a little more room to move things around. And I think we're okay here. There's a big gap there, but I think we're alright. The hole for the arm. There's some messy areas here. There we go. Huge spot here. I don't know what that's all about, but might have to add another edge loop here. I don't know yet. We'll have to see. If I hit the 3 key, get some. It's not too bad. Looks pretty good. So we're doing good so far. I would delete by type history on the object. So edit, delete by type history, and then modify to freeze transformations. And we're done with this video, and we're going to go ahead and start working on the arm.